hope everybody's doing well today. All of our family and friends. I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. We're going to do another wonderful recipe today. If you like it, please subscribe and comment. Please invite all of your friends and everyone to watch it and push the like button. What we're doing today is poblano peppers are going to be stuffed with a rice mixture that I love to make that was originally my mother's rice recipe. And what I've already done ahead of time is probably about 6 to 7 pieces of bacon, applewood smoked bacon, and hamburger that I've already sauteed ahead of time and drained off any grease, and about a half of a red onion. I'm going to add about a cup and a half of red and green peppers and yellow peppers. It just adds a lot of color and flavor. And of course, cilantro. Probably a good cup of chopped cilantro. And a can of fire roasted tomatoes. And you don't have to drain these. Then we're going to add a can of tomato sauce. And of course, I've already mixed up and measured ahead of time. But there's a teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of garlic, cumin, and we put that all in here together. Oh, and chili powder. I knew I was forgetting something there, chili powder. And then my husband and I like the rice blend. It's got wild rice, brown rice, and we put that in there. We're going to mix this all together. And then I'm going to simmer this on the stove until the rice gets about halfway cooked. And then we'll stuff our green pepper, or our poblano peppers with it. Put them in our Dutch oven and put them out on the briquettes and cook them. So we'll see you in a little bit and we'll finish up with this. Thank you. All right, I'm back. We cooked the rice mixture probably for about 45 minutes, let it simmer down. And you know, I kept saying green peppers, but you can use green peppers, you can use any color pepper you want. And it's wonderful with this mixture. And what I'm going to do here before we put them in the Dutch oven is we brought down some of our homemade pasta sauce that we made ourselves from all of our garden vegetables. And I'm going to put a little bit in the bottom of the Dutch oven so the peppers have something kind of to simmer in. I would say probably a cup. So the bottom of it is covered, and it's just a homemade spaghetti sauce. And I'm just going to stuff these. And lay them in the sauce here. It's like what I've said before, there's no rules to what you do. You can modify it, you can add more heat, you can take away the heat. If you don't want to use a wild rice blend for this, you can use just white rice, brown rice, whatever you like. But the rice does really add a lot to this. And these poblano peppers aren't real hot, but they do have a bit of a kick to it. They're not like your jalapenos. Of course, I'm going to have more rice mixture left over, which we'll just be eating up in something else this week. Because really, these are smaller peppers than your green peppers. But it'll still work out great. And we're going to take this out and let it cook probably for an hour. An hour should be long enough. Once again, at about 350 degrees. That's kind of the rule for most things when you're baking them. But you'll just kind of check them and see. There we go. The bottom of this is covered. There's enough peppers here to cover the bottom. Of course, they're sitting down here in my sauce, which that'll be perfect. Okay, We'll see you outside in a little bit. Just remember to subscribe. We hope you like this. Click the like button. And please tell all of your family and friends about our channel. We would love to have a lot of subscribers. And we'll see you outside in a few minutes. Thank you. Okay, we're out here and we got our stuffed peppers already. They're in here. You know the rule with briquettes and 350 degrees. There's 8 on the bottom and about 12 on top. And as you know, we'll keep looking at these and checking on them, but we're going to cook this for about an hour and then we'll check on it, but it should be done in about an hour. So we'll see you then. Well, friends, we're going to check it. It's been about an hour and a half as usual with the wind and the elements, and now it's cold. It takes a little bit longer, but I think we're done. Oh my, it looks very yummy. Okay, we'll see you in the house and we'll take it up. Thank you. Okay, I believe our meal is completed. It's done. It smells wonderful. My goodness, what we're going to do here is dish it up so you can see it. And what we like to do is put some of the Mexican cheese on top, or whatever your favorite cheese is. Of course, this is going to have a little bit of heat to it because of the poblanos. But like I said, you don't have to use the poblanos. You can use green peppers, yellow peppers, whatever you'd like. Oh my, this does smell yummy. And then we're going to sprinkle some of this Mexican cheese on top. And please remember us. If you like this video, please subscribe. Tell all of your friends. You can even tell your enemies if you want. But anyway, we would love to have a comment from you. Please subscribe, push the like button. Keep us in mind. We will be adding more recipes. And good night. Have a wonderful evening, and thank you for joining us today. We'll see you soon.